Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download WhatsApp business status. So to download WhatsApp business status, you need to install a third-party app. Without that, you cannot download it. So at first, just go to the Play Store on your phone. Now search in the top search bar WhatsApp status download. After searching this, here you can see the fourth app, uh, status saver video download. Click on it. Now just install this app. It is a very small app, guys. After installing this app, just go to this app, click on OK. You need to grant permission. Click on the bottom, use this folder. Now here you can see the WhatsApp status of your friend here. I can see an image here. Just click it like this. And after clicking it, here you can see in the bottom middle option download. Click on it. Give permission. Here you can see the status is downloaded. So guys, that's how you can download WhatsApp business status. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.